Good day! For today's lesson, we are making a tutorial video of derivative rules. Rules of differentiation includes power rule, constant multiple rule, product rule, quotient rule, and chain rule. Let's get started. The power rule tells us how to differentiate expressions on the form of x raised to n. In other words, expression with x raised to any power.
Our first given is x raised to 5 minus 3x squared plus 9x. Para sa unang step, upang makuha ang derivative, ang ating exponent na 5 sa unang term ay ilalagay natin sa gilid, which is ito yung x raised to 5. Pagkatapos naman, ang exponent na 5 ay isusubtract natin sa 1, kaya ito ay magiging 4 na lang. Sunod naman, sa second term, ganun din. Ang exponent na to ay itatabi sa coefficient ng pangalawang term, habang ang exponent na to ay ima-minus sa 1, kaya 1 na lang. Or pwede din natin wag na ilagay since given naman ito palagi. At para sa last or third term na 9x, simply derive lang natin siya as 9 dahil ang exponent nito ay may invisible na 1. So kapag minultiply natin ang 1 na exponent sa coefficient na 9 ay 9 pa rin ang sagot. Habang ang exponent na 1, kaya sinubtract natin sa 1 ay 0 na kaya 9 na lang. Ang may iwan sa atin na sa ating third term. Therefore, if we multiply 5 to 1 or x, then the exponent, which is 4, it would be 5x for our first term. Copying the sign, proceed to the next term. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. There's no exponent anymore here, while the third term will be constant 9. So our final answer is y prime equals 5x cubed minus 6x plus 9.
Another example of power rule. The given is y equals 5x raised to 7 plus x raised to 5 minus 5. First step ay ilagay natin ang exponent na 7 sa tabi ng ating unang term na 5x raised to 7. Pagkatapos gamit ang power rule, ang n o given na exponent, which is yung 7 ay i-minus natin sa 1. Kopyahin ang sign sa susunod na term at kagaya lang ng unang term, ilagay din natin ang exponent na 5 sa gilid ng second term. And then yung exponent na 5 ay i-minus natin sa 1. Para naman sa last term, dahil ito ay constant, ibig sabihin ay 0 na ito. Simplify lang natin by multiplying the exponent na nilagay sa gilid ng unang term and yung coefficient, kaya 7 times 5 is 35x. Then sa exponent na 7 to 1 is 6. Next ay ang 5 times x or 1 is 5x. Then sa exponent na 5 to 1 is 4. Ang 8 ay constant, kaya ito ay 0 na lang. Ang final answer is y prime 35x raised to 6 plus 5x raised to 4.
The constant multiple rule says the derivative of a constant multiplied by a function is the constant multiplied by the derivative of the function.
Step 1. Write the derivative expression of the given function, which is hx equals 3x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 1/4 plus 6. All you have to do is to find the derivative and multiply it by the constant. Then we'll get the final answer, which is h prime of x is equal to 12x cubed plus 5 over 4x raised to negative 3/4 plus 6.
Constant multiple rule. Given number 1, h of x equals 8x raised to 7 minus 3x cubed minus 9. 7 times 8x raised to 7 minus 1 minus 9x cubed minus 1 minus 0. Bali, ang magiging final answer is h of prime equals 56x raised to 6 minus 9x squared. Ayun yung magiging final answer.
Product rule states that the derivative of a function of two differentiable functions is equal to the sum of the product of the second function with differentiation of the first function and the product of the first function with the differentiation of the second function.
Product rule first example. Given f of x equals close open parenthesis 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 15. Close open parenthesis x squared plus 4. I-substitute lang natin yung given sa corresponding position nila sa pamamagitan ng pagsunod sa formula ng product rule. Ang ating u ay 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 15. At ang ating b ay x squared plus 4. 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 15 bracket dx squared plus 4 dx plus x squared plus 4 d 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 15 dx bracket. Kailangan muna natin makuha ang derivative ng nasa loob ng bracket. Ang derivative ng x squared plus 4 ay 2x. Gamit ang knowledge natin sa rules of differentiation, mas magiging mabilis sa atin ang mag-derive sa given equation. Kapag dinerive mo ang x squared, ito ay magiging 2x gamit ang power rule. Samantalang ang 4 ay constant, so magiging 0 siya. Then, i-derive naman natin ang 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 15. Ito ay magiging 6x squared minus 10. Kapag na-derive na kung ano yung nakuha nating sagot sa loob ng parenthesis, ay i-distribute naman natin siya sa ating u at b. In simplest way, ang 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 15, bawat isang term ay mumultiply mo sa 2x plus. Ganun din sa x squared plus 4 na i-distribute sa bawat term sa 6x squared minus 10. Ang makukuha natin ay 4x squared minus 10x cubed plus 30x plus 6x raised to the 4th power minus 10x cubed plus 24x squared minus 40x. Combine like terms. And the final answer will be f prime of x equals 10x raised to the 4th power minus 20x cubed plus 24x squared minus 10x. Para sa second example ng product rule, given x raised to the 6th power plus 3x cubed plus 5, 2x minus 7x. Katulad lang ng una nating example, i-substitute lang natin yung given sa corresponding position nila sa pamamagitan ng pagsunod sa formula ng product rule. Ang ating u ay x raised to the 6th power plus 3x cubed plus 5 at ang v ay 2x minus 7x. X raised to the 6th power plus 3x cubed plus 5 bracket d 2x minus 7x over dx bracket plus 2x minus 7x bracket dx over raised to the 6th power plus 3x cubed plus 5 over dx. Kunin muna natin yung derivative ng nasa loob ng bracket. Ang derivative ng 2x minus 7x ay negative 5. Kapag dinerive mo ang 2x at 7x, ang makukuha ay 2 at 7. Kaya naging negative 5. Then, i-derive naman natin ang x raised to the 6th power plus 3x cubed plus 5. Ito ay magiging 6x raised to the 5th power plus 9x squared. Kapag na-derive na, kung ano yung nakuha nating sagot sa loob ng parenthesis, ay di-distribute naman natin siya sa ating u at b. In simplest way, x raised to the 6th power plus 3x cubed plus 5, bawat isang term ay mamultiply mo sa negative 5. Plus, ganun din sa 2x minus 7x. Di-distribute natin ang bawat term sa 6x raised to the 5th power plus 9x squared. Ang makukuha natin ay negative 5x raised to the 6th power negative 15x cubed, negative 25 plus 12 raised to plus 12x raised to the 6th power and 18x cubed, negative 42x raised to the 6th power and negative 63x cubed. Combine like terms, and the final answer will be f prime over x is negative 35x raised to the 6th power and negative 60x cubed minus 25.
Quotient rule is stated as the ratio of the quantity of the denominator times the derivative of the numerator function minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator function to the square of the denominator function.
First step is to know the u and the v. The v here is the one in the denominator. We're just going to copy. The u here is the numerator. Same process. This is the formula in the quotient rule. And now you're just going to apply it. Now this is the first equation. This is the second equation. Now solve for the derivative of both equations. First, copy these three and then get the derivative of these three. And this is going to be the answer. To solve this, you're going to distribute these three to these three. Here are the answers for the first equation. Now, do the second equation. Here are the answers for the second equation. Now, combine all like terms. This is the final answer when you combine all the like terms. Now you're going to get the denominator. The final answer.
Chain rule provides a technique for finding the derivative of composite functions, with the number of functions that make up the composition determining how many differentiation steps are necessary.
Chain rule. Given number 1. 4x raised to 6 plus 9x cubed minus 8. Ang exponent ay 7. Para masolve ang ating given equation, dito ma-apply natin lahat ng rules of differentiation. Ang unang step ay ang exponent na 7 sa ilalagay sa unahan ng ating parenthesis and then ikakopy mo lang yung equation sa loob ng parenthesis. At pagkatapos gagamitin natin ang power rule kung saan magsusubtract tayo ng isa sa ating exponent. Kaya 7 minus 1 equals 6 ang ating exponent. Next step ay i-derive natin yung mga nasa loob sa parenthesis, which is yung mga 4x raised to 6 plus 9x cubed minus 8. Kaya naman ito ay magiging 24x raised to 5 plus 27x squared. At ang 8 ay magiging constant at magiging sagot ay 0. Ang ating makukuhang sagot ay, ang exponent ay 7, 4x raised to 6 plus 9x cubed minus 8. Raised to 6 ang exponent. 24x raised to 5 plus 27x squared. Ngunit para mas clear ang sagot, pwede natin itong gawin. 7 ang exponent sa loob ng parenthesis ay 24x raised to 5 plus 27x squared. 4x raised to 6 plus 9x cubed minus 8. Ang exponent ay 6. Kung kaya pang simplify ay pwede pa.